Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the SPX500 or the S&P 500 starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, you can see we are definitely pushing up pretty strong. I was originally thinking this was going to be an ABC and that it was actually going to go down and make a wave C, but I think that looking at the most recent pattern, I think it's actually pretty clear this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think it's going to go up, probably make all-time highs into next year, which it is an election year in the U.S. And then once that's over is when I think it's going to go down to about the $3,200 area to complete what I still think is going to end up being an A, B, and C correction. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see this downtrend, definitely 5 ways down, and it's very overlapping. Usually when you have an overlapping trend like that, it does tell you that it is part of a correction, like a wave A. This to me still does look like it could possibly be 1, 2, and 3 waves up, like it could still end up being an A, a B, and a C, like an A, B, C, a B. So we do have to be careful. If this move up does make some sort of a 3-way pattern, makes a very impulsive move down, we definitely want to keep in consideration that this definitely could turn into a 1, 2, and 3 of wave C, just like I was originally thinking that it would. But I have it labeled as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this does look like the end of a correction. It turned right at the 61.8. It does look like it is going up, and it probably is more likely to go up and take out these previous highs. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we do have a breaker structure, which is a good sign. We are at the Fibonacci 61% of this move down, which is probably going to be an area of resistance. It would make a lot of sense if it did go down next and turn into like a 1, 2 or an A, B, and then eventually go up for more likely a wave 3 or maybe even possibly a wave C. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame for now, I just have my Fibonacci retracement on this push up right here. But if this really is like a wave 5, which it probably is, then this probably will go down now and make a pretty good sized correction, like an A, a B, and a C. And this move up right here is either an A or a 1. This is either a B or a 2, like I was explaining on the longer time frames. And it should go up for either a wave 3 or a wave C. So taking it down to the 1-hour time frame. So 1-hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement on here because if this makes 1, 2, 3 waves down to a fib level, makes a very impulsive move to the upside, then that would tell me that this is an ABC correction to just this last wave up, and we definitely want to be going long if we see this picture right here for the continuation of the uptrend. But like I was explaining, I think it's actually probably more likely this is going to turn into a 1, 2, 3. It's probably going to go down and make a wave A, which is going to be part of an ABC of B or an ABC of 2, just like I was explaining on the 4-hour and the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.